I bet you've never tried one of these before. The classic shortbread base has been replaced by a chocolate chip cookie. These are my cookie millionaires. Here's the recipe. Start by creaming your 2 sugars and butter in the machine until light, pale and fluffy. Add in a shot of vanilla and your egg and mix again until fully incorporated. Sieve in all your dry ingredients and mix on a low speed until chunky light lumps start to form. Then add in your chocolate chips and mix again until a dough starts to form. Evenly place your cookie dough into a lined square tin, smoothing out to all corners and sides. Bake in a preheated oven for approximately 25 minutes, then allow to cool on a wire rack. To make your caramel, add your butter, caster sugar, condensed milk and golden syrup into a pan. Cook this on a low heat until all the ingredients are melted. Once melted, turn the heat up to a medium high. Keep stirring for 6 to 12 minutes until everything thickens up and goes to a nice caramel colour. Pour the hot caramel over the cooled down cookie, smooth out to all corners and sides and let it rest for an hour. Pour over your melted chocolate and again smooth out to all corners and sides. And then finally, decorate with some broken up cookies and some cookie crumbs. And here are my cookie millionaires. A delicious chocolate chip cookie base, a smooth melt in the middle caramel middle, finished off with a delicious chocolate and cookie topping. These are insanely delicious. Enjoy!